Welcome to Sakura English channel. How are you today? I'm very hungry. So, I'm gonna make pizza today. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. It's very easy to make, so please make it at home together. Are you ready? Now let's get started. So, what do you need? We need some flour. Today I use this pancake mix. And we need some water. We need some salt. We need some olive oil. We need some ketchup and mayonnaise. And we need some toppings. Corn, tomatoes, bacon, onions, and cheese. No green peppers. First, let's make the dough. What's this? It's a bowl. Okay, put flour, water, salt, and olive oil. Oh, what's this? It's a spoon. One and two. Okay, then mix. Then divide into 6 portions and roll into thin circles on the cutting board. Now put some ketchup and mayonnaise on these doughs. Now let's put some toppings. What are these? They are chopsticks. Okay, now put in the oven. And bake 15 minutes. Done. Wow, looks yummy, smells good. Okay, now let's eat together. It's very easy, isn't it? So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.